Imagine walking into a factory where millions of chocolate bars are produced every year. The air is filled with the rich aroma of cocoa. Giant machines operate around the clock, and every few seconds, perfectly shaped chocolate bars move down endless conveyor belts. But have you ever wondered what it takes to turn a simple cocoa bean into the smooth and creamy dairy milk chocolate enjoyed by millions of people around the world? The journey is far more complex than most people imagine, and today we're going inside the fascinating process behind one of the world's most popular chocolate bars. Everything begins thousands of miles away on cocoa farms. Here, cocoa pods grow on trees in warm tropical climates. When the pods are fully ripe, they are carefully harvested and opened to reveal the cocoa beans inside. These beans are then fermented and dried before being shipped to chocolate manufacturing facilities. When the beans arrive at the factory, the first step is inspection. Advanced systems check the quality of every batch to ensure only the best beans are used. The beans are then cleaned to remove dust, debris, and any unwanted materials. This may seem like a simple step, but it plays a critical role in maintaining the quality of the final product. Next comes roasting. Huge industrial roasters heat the cocoa beans at carefully controlled temperatures. During this stage, something remarkable happens. The beans begin developing the deep, rich chocolate flavor that people love. The roasting process must be monitored closely because even small temperature changes can affect the taste. After roasting, the beans move to specialized machines that crack them open and separate the shells from the cocoa nibs inside. These nibs contain the essential ingredients needed to make chocolate. The nibs are then ground into a thick, dark liquid known as cocoa liquor. Despite its name, it contains no alcohol. It is simply pure cocoa transformed into a liquid state. Now the chocolate starts to take shape. The cocoa liquor is combined with milk powder, sugar, and other carefully measured ingredients. Massive mixing machines blend everything together until a smooth chocolate mixture is formed. At this stage, the mixture already smells amazing, but the texture is still not smooth enough for a finished chocolate bar. To improve the texture, the chocolate passes through a refining process. Large rollers crush the mixture into extremely fine particles. This step is one of the secrets behind the creamy texture that melts smoothly in your mouth. The smaller the particles become, the smoother the chocolate feels. The refined chocolate then enters one of the most important stages of production, a process called conching. Inside enormous machines, the chocolate is continuously mixed, stirred, and aerated for hours. During this process, excess moisture is removed, flavors become more balanced, and the texture becomes incredibly silky. This stage plays a major role in creating the signature taste and smoothness associated with premium milk chocolate. Once conching is complete, the chocolate moves to tempering. This highly controlled process involves repeatedly heating and cooling the chocolate to precise temperatures. Tempering helps create a glossy finish, a satisfying snap, and a stable structure that prevents the chocolate from melting too easily during storage and transportation. The liquid chocolate is now ready for molding. Automated systems pour exact amounts of chocolate into molds that give each bar its recognizable shape. The molds gently vibrate to remove trapped air bubbles and ensure every detail is perfectly formed. The bars then travel through long cooling tunnels where the chocolate gradually hardens. After cooling, the chocolate bars are released from their molds and move through a series of quality inspections. High-speed cameras and sensors examine every bar for imperfections. Any product that fails to meet strict quality standards is automatically removed from the production line. Finally, the finished chocolate bars enter the packaging area. Advanced packaging machines wrap, seal, and label each bar within seconds. Thousands of chocolate bars can be packaged every hour before being packed into boxes and prepared for shipment. From cocoa farms in tropical regions to highly advanced manufacturing facilities, every dairy milk chocolate bar goes through an incredible journey. Behind every bite is a combination of carefully selected ingredients, precision engineering, and sophisticated technology working together to create the smooth and creamy chocolate loved around the world. The next time you unwrap a dairy milk chocolate bar, remember that you're holding the final result of an extraordinary manufacturing process that transforms simple cocoa beans into one of the world's favorite treats.